Here is the Philips Nose Trimmer Series 3000. It is one of the most popular nose and ear shaver on the market. It gently removes unwanted nose, ear and eyebrow hairs. Philips guarantees no pulling during shaving. Let's open the package. Included in the package is also a battery, a transport pouch bag, and 2 eyebrow combs with 3 and 5 millimeters. The nose trimmer is supposed to be 100% shower-proof. In order to start the shaver, you have to twist the body. Unfortunately, the shaver often doesn't start, but that doesn't mean that the trimmer is broken. Twisting several times or rechecking the battery helps. The designed angle of the trimmer ensures an easy and comfortable trimming. Now let's try shaving. The trimmer doesn't pull at all and is gently removing hair. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel.